I'm Nancy from Cooking with Nancy's channel. Just now I made this dough, 1 cup of flour to 1.5 tablespoon of this organic extra virgin olive oil, and I mix it into a dough. Fine breadcrumbs first, then lukewarm water until I get a nice pliable dough, and I roll it out, flatten, use a small rolling pin, and I put in my filling of vegetarian groundnuts and mung bean filling, which I cook with some turmeric and all that. Now I'm going to deep fry some, and some I'm going to add in the air fryer. So to deep fry, because oil is expensive, I'm not going to put a whole lot of oil, just a little bit. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to deep fry one. And later I'm going to show you how I did all the crimping. So the oil now is coming up to a high heat. You can test your temperature by using this wooden chopstick. If you see bubbles going round the chopstick, that means your temperature is correct. Oh, it's very hot because it's olive oil. Olive oil burns faster, so you got to drop it in now. Okay, drop in your pastry and cook it. So this is cooking in olive oil. I'm not even using high heat, it's a medium heat. And turn it when it's ready. You may have to add in more oil as you go along. But now is to turn the pastry. So let's see. Paper to get rid of excess oil. Increase the temperature a little bit. The filling is already cooked inside. So the main thing now is just to cook the pastry, and we don't want to burn the oil. So just watch the temperature of the oil and regulate your heat. This comes with constant cooking skill. If you cook every day, you know exactly what to do. If you don't cook every day, then this will just burn straight away. Everything is practice. You can see the pastry is getting cooked, and you can serve this with your chutney. You can serve this with chili sauce and tomato sauce. Getting there, nice and greenish in color because of the olive oil. If you use some vegetable oil, it's a different color again. And don't use oil that is already saturated. So you're going to watch out and know when to top up and when to start fresh oil. So that's why I don't take much deep fried food, because I'm very careful with saturation of the oil in the pan. It's not the pastry, it's not the ghee, it's not the butter, but it is the cooking of the oil that changes a lot of toxic, in your cooking. So it's very good to have steamed food, boiled food. That's why I teach you a lot of cooking using just boiled water. I'm Nancy, a cooking friend. In a minute, I'm going to switch this off and show you how how I crimp the pastry. See how this is how I crimp the pastry. I've put the filling in. I put some water on the edge so that it will glue it together, and then I crimp it this way. Crimp, press and turn. This is how it was done. This is the Malaysian way, and lots of people do it. Lots of Asian countries do it this way too, right? So you can put it in your hot oil now and cook that. I'm going to put the rest in the air fryer. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Nancy, your cooking friend, with lots of ideas of how to serve food. Please subscribe to my cooking video and like it. Thank you. Bye.